Hey, Five-O, you're a stinky butt fart. Oh no!
How dare you slap me?
A weapon! Damn it! You got it. Yes, sir. Jesus. Oh god. Oh god. Five-O, it was a joke. Calm down. I hope you know I'm about to beat the living dookie out of you.
No.
Yeah. Jesus.